Hey guys, in today's video, we'll be showing you how to link your desktop to your WhatsApp account on Android. This is a great feature that allows you to use WhatsApp on your computer without having to constantly switch between your phone and your computer. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the web browser on your desktop and go to the WhatsApp website. Once you're on the website, open WhatsApp on your Android primary phone. Next, tap the three dots on the top right corner of the screen to open the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, select Linked Devices. This will take you to a screen where you can see all of the devices that are currently linked to your WhatsApp account. To link a new device, tap on Link a Device. You will be asked to unlock your primary phone. If your phone has biometric authentication enabled, follow the on-screen instructions to unlock it. If you don't have biometric authentication enabled, you will be prompted to enter the PIN you use to unlock your phone. Next, point your Android phone at the screen of the device you want to link and scan the QR code. Once the QR code is scanned, your desktop will be linked to your WhatsApp account. And that's it! You can now use WhatsApp on your desktop without having to constantly switch between your phone and your computer. It's worth noting that you can link up to 4 devices to your WhatsApp account at once. This means that you can access your WhatsApp account on multiple devices without having to constantly switch between them. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.